Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Nitisha.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this perfect and fresh homemade butter.
Let me quickly show you what we will need to make this butter at home. Here I'm using KitchenAid mixture to make this butter, but if you don't have this, you can simply use your regular blender. It works just fine. Then here I have ice cold water. And then here I have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. So let's begin. Alright, so now I'm going to pour my cream into this mixing bowl. Alright, the temperature of cream I'm using, I let my cream set outside for about 15-20 minutes before I use. So it's about room temperature, but if you want to use straight from your refrigerator, you can do that. The only reason I did that is I let it sit outside because it will make process really faster. So let's begin. And I'm gonna increase the speed little by little as I go. So I'm gonna let this mixture run for about 3 minutes and I'll come back and show you how it looks. So as you can see, I have increased the speed. It's on 6 right now. So it's been 4 minutes and I just want to show you how thick it has become. So if you can see, so I just want to show you the texture. So if you can see this, how thick it is. So just 1 or 2 more minutes and then we'll add our water to it. I'm just gonna continue. 8 and 10. So as you can see, it's 5 minutes total and you can see butter has already separating from buttermilk, and I want to give you a closer look on that, so hang on. So give me 1 minute and I'm just gonna take this off, and you can see it's already separating from water. This is all butter and this is buttermilk. See how easy it is to make butter in 5 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is, we are not done yet. I'm going to empty this. This is buttermilk we can use in our recipes somewhere else. So I'm going to reserve this buttermilk and we'll add fresh cold water into this after that, so it will wash it off and we'll get more clear butter. So I'll show you that. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna take the buttermilk out. So as you can see, I have took all the buttermilk out and now it's only butter left. And now I'll add a little bit of water, just the cold water, no ice cubes. And that's all, and we're gonna do this twice until all the water comes out clear. And we're gonna run this again. And what I usually do, I don't have a guard to cover this mess here, all the splashes. So what I do, I just usually put my kitchen towel on it and let it run. So you can do that if you don't have a guard to cover this mess. And now I'm gonna run on low first. Just few seconds is enough. So this is all butter. Okay, so here's the bowl. I have cleaned it. And now this should be okay. If you don't want to run one more time, that's fine, your butter is ready, but I'm kind of like to run till I get really clear water, almost clear water. So I'm gonna add a little bit of more water and run it for like few more seconds. Okay, our butter is ready and water is much clear, so I'm gonna take this off. So this is last thing to do is just take out all the butter from this. We are going to squeeze out the excess water from it. You can use cheesecloth if you want. The only thing you're gonna do is take this and just squeeze out water as much as you can. And you can see it's a little bit of water gonna come out. This is our butter. So my butter is ready to enjoy. You can add any flavor you like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of salt in it, and just first I'm gonna just mash it a little bit and sprinkle a little bit of salt, and we're gonna mix it really well. Okay, looks ready. And you can form this into a ball if you wish, again, or just use it, store in a tight container. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos, and I'll see you in my next video with another great recipe. Till then, bye bye.